Hi guys, look at this question. The question is 4 to the power 98 plus 4 to the power 100 upon 4 to the power 99 plus 4 to the power 100, and we have to simplify this question. You can see in the numerator we have the power 4 to the power 98 and here we have 4 to the power 100. Just split this power 100 into 98 plus 2. Similarly, in the denominator, we have the power 4 to the power 99. So, split this 4 to the power 100 into 99 plus 1. Further, as you know that a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So, we can write this as 4 to the power 98 plus, here we can write it as 4 to the power 98 into 4 square upon, this is 4 to the power 99 plus 4 to the power 99 into 4. Now in the numerator, taking out 4 to the power 98 common, so we have 1 plus 4 square inside the bracket, and then in the denominator, taking out 4 to the power 99 common, so we have 1 plus 4 inside the bracket. Further, we can write this as 4 to the power 98 into 1 plus 16 upon 4 to the power 99 into 5. Now we have 4 to the power 98 into, this is 17 upon 4 to the power 99 into 5. Further, just bring this 4 to the power 98 in the denominator, so its sign gets changed. It's minus sign, and again it's into 5. Now 17, these are the same bases, so just add up their powers into 5. So we have 17 upon 4 into 5, further 17 upon 20, and this is our right answer after simplification. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.